As anyone who watches my channel knows, I'm a big fan of augmented reality, or AR. Ever since Adobe Aero became available back in 2019, I've been experimenting with different ways to use AR to create and distribute 3D content. Unfortunately, Adobe Aero will be shutting down in November, so I've been looking for a new AR platform to use. My search has brought me to ARLOOPA, a platform that includes a robust set of design tools, a 3D scanner, and a built-in capability to distribute AR content to VR headsets that have pass-through capabilities. In this video, I will show you how the AR content looks through a MetaQuest 3S headset. Of course, ARLOOPA allows for the creation of content that can be seen through smartphones and tablets. The content can be accessed through a number of ways, such as through the ARLOOPA app, web links, QR codes, anchor images, face tracking, and even geocoded connections that are highlighted on a map that's available on the ARLOOPA app. Nevertheless, seeing 3D content via a 3D-capable device such as a VR headset is a significant step forward for augmented reality, in my opinion, as you'll see in this video. This is what the ARLOOPA menu looks like in the MetaQuest 3S. Even before you create your own content, the app is preloaded with a huge selection of available 3D models to use in AR. The preloaded models are organized into different categories for easier navigation. In addition to the main menu window, you'll also have an interaction menu attached to your controller so you can interact with the models directly after you select them. To give you an idea of the kinds of models you can use through ARLOOPA, here's a Gaussian splat model of an art studio that is included with the ARLOOPA app. You can also access animated 3D models from ARLOOPA, as you can see here with a polar bear model that I selected. You can use the interface menu on the controller to rotate the model and move it around. Here's an example of what one of my 3D posters looks like through the Quest 3S headset. It's a poster I made from the classic horror film Blood and Black Lace. I made this poster using Adobe Aero and Affinity Photo 2, but I've been able to convert it into a format that can be seen through ARLOOPA. ARLOOPA can also import 3D models directly from Sketchfab. Here's a model of a building from Baltimore that I found on Sketchfab and imported directly into ARLOOPA. As for the ARLOOPA scanner feature, here's a 3D model of a vintage Mego Spider-Man action figure that I created using the scanner. As you can see, the app was able to capture a lot of small details from this 8-inch figure. ARLOOPA can also accommodate 3D videos and 3D pictures. Here's a 3D video that I imported into ARLOOPA, and it still plays back in 3D when looking at it through a Quest 3S headset. With ARLOOPA, I'm really excited to see AR content become more accessible to VR headsets and other pass-through platforms. Sure, more people have smartphones and tablets than headsets, but putting AR directly in front of users without needing handheld devices makes AR experiences much more enjoyable. If you're as excited about immersive media as I am, you should check out ARLOOPA and see what kind of 3D content you can share with other virtual media fans.